Welcome to the Morning Howl. I'm Laura.
And I'm Mia. Thanks for starting your week with us.
Here's what's going on at LCMS this week. 8th grade design thinking classes and student council are still collecting donations for the stocking drive this Friday. Bring in items to help brighten someone's holiday season. Every donation makes a difference.
This Thursday at 7 p.m., our choir will present the Winter Choir Concert in the gym. Come enjoy an evening of festive music and support our talented vocalists.
Mark your calendars. Next Wednesday, December 17th, tune into a Liberty Creek Christmas, a special filled with holiday performances, skits, and plenty of cheer. You can catch the whole event streaming on the LCN YouTube channel.
Here's this week's birthdays.
Here are this week's positive office referrals.
Now we go to Mr. Jackson's weather enrichment to look at this week's forecast.
We'll be right back after this break.
Welcome back to another exciting look and adventure into the world, the changes, the differences between middle school boys versus girls. Now we observe the young male greeting ritual.
We got this.
Now for the middle school girl. Let's see if the boys share the same exuberance.
So. What's up?
Perhaps not.
We got this.
Still at it.
Okay.
Sometimes greetings are not what they seem to be.
Hey. Hi.
I will not believe what I heard about Emma.
She's so weird.
Right?
Okay.
Oh, almost.
Come on. I don't know.
Now it is time to say goodbye.
I'm gonna miss you.
Don't they have next class together?
And they sit together at lunch and ride the same bus home.
Girls are weird.
Yeah.
Are the boys as heartbroken? It appears not. Still can't get it. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this look into the lives of the middle school. Join us again next time as we attempt to learn more and understand the lives of boys versus girls.
Welcome back to the Morning Howl. This week in LCM sports, tonight basketball heads to White House at 5:30 p.m. and on Thursday they travel to Schaefer at 6 p.m. Our Pack of Pickles pickleball team will be competing in Christmas tournament on Tuesday and Thursday at 4 p.m.
The Lost and Found is filling up quickly. If you're missing a jacket, lunchbox, or anything else, be sure to check soon. All unclaimed items will be donated after December 19th.
And finally, Wolves. Winter break is almost here. December 19th will be a half day and Tuesday will resume on Thursday, January 6th.
For Liberty Creek News, I'm Laura.
And I'm Mia. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Liberty Creek News. Have a great week.